Hello guys and welcome back. So now in this video we will fix this issue with our inventory. As you can see, we can still rotate and change between the cameras. We don't want this issue. So for solving this, first of all, at the top right here, let's create a public reference to our switch camera script. So we will say switch camera. Let's name this as switch camera as well. Then we need a reference to our aim camera. So we will say public game object aim cam. After this, we need a reference to our third person camera as well. So we will say third person cam. After the references, let's scroll down to the show inventory and the hide inventory functions. And right here at the top, when we are showing the camera, we want the switch camera script to be disabled so that the player is not able to change between the first person camera and the second person camera. So we will say switch camera dot get component, and we want to get the switch camera script. And then what we want to do with that, we will say dot enabled will be equals to false. Then let's disable the third person camera. So we will say third person cam dot set active, and let's set it to false. After this, we need the aim camera to be disabled as well. So we will say aim cam dot set active, and let's set this to false as well, and that is it. Now let's copy this from up here and right down below, let's paste it. And now whenever we hide the inventory, we want the script to be again enabled and also the cameras as well. So we will now this time set it to true. That is it. Now let's save the script, get back to Unity. Let's click on inventory canvas. Right here it needs the switch camera script, so we will drag and drop the player and it will automatically select the switch script from right here from the player game object, as you can see. Then for the aim camera, let's drag and drop the aim camera and then the third person camera. And once you add all of that, let's play the game. And now, as you can see, we can now switch between cameras, as you can see. But now whenever we try to show the inventory, as you can see, we now can't move the camera, and nor we can switch between the aim camera and the third person camera, as you can see. And now when we unpause the game, we can again now switch between cameras, as you can see. And now we can rotate around as well. Now let's pause it again and unpause it, pause it and unpause. Okay, so now this issue has been fixed. And for the guys who were following me from the previous courses as well, you can solve this issue like this. The code and everything will be the same, but make sure that you type this code in the area which this is needed. Okay, so with this done, now the next issue which is really to be fixed is disabling this mouse whenever this player script is enabled, because as you can see, this is not locked to our screen. Okay, and the mouse is floating around freely, so we don't want that as well. Let's open up this player script, and right here we need to type the code for it. So in the awake function, we will say that cursor dot lock state, this will be equals to cursor lock mode, and then the lock mode will be locked. That is it. And also the next thing, which will be the assigning animator thing. Okay, because if we are holding down the gun and then if we try to remove the gun and the player have now no rifle or weapon in the hand, then we want the player controller to be assigned at runtime as well, but we didn't type a code for that in our player script. So let's type that as well and fix this issue as well. So from our handgun script, we can copy this if condition, and get back to player script. Right here in the update, let's add it, and at the top let's create a bool for it, and the bool will be player active, which will be equals to true. And then right here we will say that if the player active is true, then we will play the player controller animations, and that is it. Get back to Unity. Now everything is set up. Just for testing, let's remove this. Let's play the game. And now as you can see, when the game starts, the controller is being attached automatically at runtime, and also now as you can see, the cursor is locked at the center of the screen. I can't see the cursor, but in a recording you will see the cursor on the canvas. Okay, so don't worry about that, the cursor has been locked. Okay, that the cursor just showed in the recording and not like this. Okay, so now we can see our inventory, and as you can see, the cursor is still locked, can't move anywhere, as you can see. Now let's pick up the gun. Here it is. Let's pick up the shotgun. Here it is. Okay, now let's try to pick up the gun, and as you can see, the gun animator has been changed, and now everything works perfectly fine. Let's take out the shotgun. Here is our shotgun. We can shoot wherever we want. So now our inventory is being completed, and let's end this video right here.